Don't worry for now that we're doing simple things, because these simple things are often the foundation for further actions, and it's easier to demonstrate certain operations using simple examples. Since we have a simple example here, we don't have too many features, and it's simply easier to demonstrate selected operations. Now I'll show you how to add chamfers and fillets to edges. When it comes to these commands, we have the fillet and chamfer commands here, and these are the commands that allow you to round or chamfer edges. As for these commands, we can first select, for example, an edge, and then choose the command. I select the fillet command, and here we specify the radius value, for example, 5 millimeters, and the edge will be rounded. I can select additional edges after choosing the command and after selecting one edge. And once we accept it, we get something like this. Now I select this operation, right-click and press delete, or simply select it and press delete. And we can also add fillets by first choosing the command and then just selecting the edges we want to round. We can also do it in this particular way, and here we specifically specify the exact radius value that we need. And okay, that's how the fillet works. I select this operation and press delete. When it comes to fillet and chamfer operations, they work similarly, and we can also perform these operations based on selecting a face. If we select a face, all the edges of that face will be chamfered or filleted. And that's how it will look. So as you can see, these are simple operations, but sometimes they can be very useful. Okay, and as for chamfering, it works similarly. We select the geometry, choose the operation, and specify the chamfer dimension. Okay, here I entered too much, 5 millimeters, and that's how it looks. And we can add more edges, and the chamfer operation will be performed based on that. And we can do it just like with filleting. First, we select the operation and indicate the edges we want to chamfer. Okay, we can do it this way too, and we can also do it by selecting the entire face. We choose the chamfer operation, and in this way we can add chamfers and fillets.